Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
Chhota Bheem and the Frozen Quest. In the magical kingdom of Dholakpur, where adventures were as common as sunshine, a peculiar occurrence took place one winter. A powerful spell swept through the village, casting a deep freeze over the land. Trees turned to ice sculptures, and the once lively streams were now solid paths of ice. Amidst the frozen chaos, Chhota Bheem and his friends noticed peculiar snowflakes that seemed to shimmer with an unusual light. Following these enchanted snowflakes, they stumbled upon a hidden portal that led to the kingdom of Arendelle, where Elsa, the Snow Queen, ruled. Elsa, facing a similar crisis in her realm, welcomed Chhota Bheem and his companions. She explained that her magical powers, which she struggled to control, had inadvertently caused the eternal winter. Desperate to set things right, Elsa sought the help of Chhota Bheem and his friends. With the combined efforts of Elsa's ice magic and Chhota Bheem's bravery, they set out on a quest to find the source of Elsa's powers and restore balance to both Dholakpur and Arendelle. Their journey took them through treacherous mountains, icy caverns, and enchanted forests guarded by mystical creatures. Along the way, they encountered challenges that tested their courage and determination. As they delved deeper into the mystery, they discovered that Elsa's powers were linked to an ancient artifact hidden in the heart of a frozen palace. But to reach it, they had to overcome the most formidable obstacle of all, Elsa's own fears and doubts. With unwavering determination and the power of friendship by their side, Chhota Bheem and his friends confronted the darkness within the frozen palace. In a climactic battle, they shattered the icy barriers and released the ancient artifact from its icy prison. As the artifact bathed the kingdom in a warm, golden light, the eternal winter began to fade away and the land was restored to its former glory. Elsa, grateful for Chhota Bheem's help, bid him and his friends farewell as they returned to Dholakpur, their hearts filled with the warmth of friendship and the triumph of overcoming the frozen darkness.